So friends, in this video I'm going to tell you simple technique or secret. Okay, when you see a bullish engulfing candle or bearish engulfing candle, so generally what we do when we see a bullish engulfing candle or bearish engulfing candle, we'd like to take the entries. In this candle, we are able to identify these bearish engulfing candle setup over here. Okay, these two candles are said to be bearish engulfing candle. In this case, what we do, we would like to take the short below this level and we would like to keep the stop loss above this level, right? It's been very simple. In case of bullish engulfing candle, this is the perfect bullish engulfing candle. See, this is the high of the previous candle and this is the low of the candle, and see, this candle, red candle, was engulfed by this bullish candle. This is said to be a perfect bullish engulfing candle. Actually, both are okay to follow, means this is the bearish engulfing candle, but it's not covered the wick of the previous candle, but still we would like to consider this as a bearish engulfing candle, and in this case this is a perfect bullish engulfing candle. I was able to identify this candlestick pattern. Immediate step would be, I would like to take the long trade above this one and I would like to put the stop loss below this one. This is the theoretical and this is as per the textbook theory. But in reality, see, there is a huge stop loss. In this case, it is around 7%. It's been very difficult to put the stop loss, especially in blue chip companies. Okay, so it looks like some contract, right? Some contra statement, right? But it's reality, because if we select the stock from the small cap, mid cap, that is okay to put the stop loss up to 10% or 15%. Because once rally started in small and mid cap stocks or micro cap stocks, they would like to give huge returns. But in case of blue chip companies, they cannot go like 20%, 30% in 2-3 days, okay? Because these stocks distributed across the all traders, including institutions, promoters, everyone. So what will happen, when they see little bit bounce, they will exit. When they see little bit drop, they would like to buy. This keep on happening with the blue chip companies. Okay, try to do some sort of back test. Okay, what I'm trying to tell over here, it's been very difficult to put the 7% stop loss, and it's been very difficult to expect the 15% target, because we always look for 1:2, right? So I'm going to tell one simple thing. Let's say we were able to identify this bullish engulfing candle, then immediate step would be try to grab the fib retracement tool and try to draw from this candle low to candle high. Okay, so I just mark these low to high. This is the low of the candle and this is the high of the candle. Then what is going to happen, we would like to get some levels. Okay, so in this case 50% is good level to buy, means definitely this is a bullish engulfing candle, buyers are very strong, but this is already extended price, right? It's been very difficult to buy at the breakout level and it's been very difficult to put the stop loss below this level. Immediately what we do, we would like to buy 50 level or 61.8. Right now I am taking in between. Okay, this is the best method to approach. If it comes to this level, I would like to buy, and then I would like to put the stop loss below this level. So now let's check how much distance was there, and it is hardly 3.5%. Previous case it's 7%, now it's reduced to 3.5%. It's been very easy to follow. And let's say I have taken the entry over here, I just kept some alert. Okay, market came to this level, immediately I bought. Okay, let's see what's happened. It's given 1:3.4, means for every 1 rupee risk we are gaining 3.4 rupees. This is a beautiful risk reward. So let's say someone bought above this candle. Okay, so instead of buying at 50% discount, and they put the stop loss over here. Now let's check with the reward. It's given almost 1:1. That is good, but friends, as per the system thumb rule, we need to follow 1:2 risk reward profile. Okay, even if we lost 50% of the time, still there is a chance to make good amount from the stock market. and again there is a resistance. Definitely if market comes to this level, what will happen? There is a chance to activate the sellers. So now I am just trying to drag this risk reward tool, and there is less likely to make 1:2. That's the reason whenever you see a bullish engulfing candle or bearish engulfing candle, try to buy at a 50% level. That is a good area to take entry, because our risk is very low and our reward should be very high. Okay, let's assume this is also bearish engulfing candle. So what we do generally, below this level our entry will be triggered for the short side, right? So instead what I am going to do, I am trying to drag this Fibonacci tool from high to low. Okay, so yeah, see in this case if we observe, there is a 60 and 50% golden ratio was there. So our entry point would be at these levels approximately. I am marking, this is very good risk reward. Okay, I am just deleting this one. Our entry is at 4,520, instead 4,438. Okay, now I am just trying to calculate the risk reward. So this should be our stop loss definitely. So stop loss is only 1.65% in this case, and it's given a beautiful drop from that level. It's given 1:8. Okay, so of course it's taken the pullback and our entry got triggered, but again we put the stop loss, it's not violated, we are still in the trade, and we made a beautiful reward, right? 1:8. So once we are in profit, we can book partially, let's say 50%. Thereafter you can trial the rest of the quantity. So then it's a beautiful thing to happen. So in this way, whenever we are analyzing the stock in bigger time frames like weekly or monthly, try to do pullback entries that reduces the risk. Of course, there is a high probability to make good amount of the money from the stock market. So hope you got the point. If you feel this video informative, please hit the like button and try to share with your friends and family. If you're not yet subscribed our channel, please do subscribe. Thank you.